Welcome to NewsBreak, a weekly roundup of stories from Imperial. This week, 3D printed COVID-19 face masks receive funding, Imperial evenings of exploration move online, and mapping racing driver brains could improve self-driving cars. A smartphone scanning 3D printed approach to manufacturing coronavirus protective equipment has been awarded philanthropic support. Imperial design engineer Dr. Connor Myant is working on a face scanning app which delivers custom-fit PPE to frontline healthcare workers. Myant's is one of many new projects supported by the Community Jameel Imperial College COVID-19 Excellence Fund. Imperial has launched an online public event series exploring its science. Since 2012, Imperial Lates have invited thousands of people onto campus to meet scientists and get hands-on with their research. The series returns digitally next week, looking at our connection to nature through online discussions, art science workshops and an ecology pub-less quiz. Search Imperial Lates online to find out more. Imperial scientists have mapped a racing driver's brainwaves. Engineers tracked brain activity as well as the eye and body movements of Formula E champion Lucas Di Grassi as he negotiated the Top Gear track. Their results demonstrate how we tune our bodies during physical tasks and could improve self-driving vehicle AI. For more stories like this every day, sign up to Imperial today.